Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So you won't believe guys, before starting the video, I have tried to record the intro of this video almost 3-4 times. Sometimes the camera has revolved, sometimes the voice is not catching up. So this is the fourth time I'm trying to record the intro of this video. So anyways, hello everyone. So so happy Lodi to you guys. So all those who have celebrated Lodi, to all those who have celebrated Sankranti, happy Sankranti, and to all those who have celebrated Bihu, very happy Bihu to everyone. And happy January in general, really. So I have, like, it has been quite a while. I really wanted to do something sensual, something smoky eye look, because it's winter. It's nearly that time of the year. It's quite cold in here. So I was like trying to just look into what shall I do with my eyeshadow. So I thought, why not do something smoky, because I really love smoky eyes look. And the best part of this is it's just off eye look with two eyeshadows. And if you're going to replace it with a bronzer, you can really do with one eyeshadow, literally. And this is, you can try my technique, you can try this look, and do comment like how did you like it, how did you get on with it. So let's start. Here I'm using this Giorgio Armani. This is their tinted moisturizer called the Second Skin, and my shade is in 3.5, guys. I find this is quite skin like, because today's makeup I'm really just concentrating on the eyes, so I'm just keeping the base very light. So if you can use a foundation if you wish to, really. So but I'm just using a tinted moisturizer from Armani, and that's it, really. And after this I'm just layering up with L'Oreal. I think this is the L'Oreal. No, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Sorry, I just need to take a while to see which one I'm using. And I'm just trying to cover all the areas which require a little bit of concealment, like with the eyes and the usual areas, basically, because I'm not using any other thing other than the concealer, no correctors. So I'm just happy to do with this. And the same concealer I'm just going to use on the brows, on the and now when it comes to the beauty blender, because since my coverage is very it's quite light, so I'm not using a damp beauty blender. It's just a dry beauty blender on its own. Just make sure that the beauty blender is a bit clean, otherwise it will get a bit tacky. And I'm using a Estée Lauder brown pencil. Basically it's a brown eyeliner, and we'll just try to focus on making an eyeliner, just creating a normal eyeliner as we do normally. And I'm just trying to be a bit more, you don't need to be precise with this, just take it wherever you want to, because we are just going to smudge it with the fingers, so it doesn't need to precise. Likely you can use a brush, but I really like using fingers for smudging my eyeliners. It just gives a nice messy feeling. And you can take any, for this you can take any black eyeshadow. I'm taking from the Huda's Rose Gold Remastered palette. This is one of my favorites for my day-to-day look, even for the festival look, or even for the smoky look. So just for this you just need to make normal below the crease. You just need to keep on layering the eyeshadow using a flat shader brush. This one I think is from Morphe. Just try to create this, and below the crease just make sure you do not go above the crease. And my technique for this is I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow. In this step you can use a bronzer instead. So I'm just trying to just sketch the crease from this pencil brush. You can say just I'm outlining the black eyeshadow. I'm not going to blend here, I'm just going to just define the crease, just outline the crease. Blending we are going to do later on. This, what happens is, it gives a nice crisp and a nice, quite nice look. So right now we are just going to sketch from the brown eyeshadow. I really find this technique quite nice, guys. So if you want, you can really try it, and later on we are going to go with the blending. But as you can see, I'm just taking the brown eyeshadow on the crease. You just make sure that you're looking down so that we can just get where the crease is. And now I'm using this is the Hoola bronzer with another Morphe brush. and this is I think this is from the 5-piece brush collection. I'm not very sure with this came in a brush set. So I'm just now for the same where we have created the outline, I'm just blending it with the bronzer. For this step you can take your own time because I am just like 2 and 4 in the windshield wiper motion. We are just blending it so that our look becomes seamless. And after this you can see like the black eyeshadow has literally gone, so I'm just placing another one. And this is the like the clean blending brush. I'm just clearing out the harsh edges. And this here is the q-tip for q-tip with micellar water in it, so just to clean out and just to make it but don't do this one quite hard because otherwise it's going to take your base makeup off. So you can see later on I have concealed with concealer again. And now again I'm using the same bronzer, the Hoola bronzer, for smudging my lower eyes. I'm just smudging it with the same bronzer. I'm just taking a little bit more than the halfway. We are not going to cover the full eyes. We are just taking on the little bit more than the halfway and just smudging it both sides liberally. It's going to create like nice smoky eye effect. And now taking on the same brush, I'm just taking the black. Instead of applying a black eyeliner today, I'm just sketching it out like we would do an eyeliner. I'm just using an eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow, and for the pencil brush and just applying like normally we would apply an eyeliner on the lower lids. So that's what I'm doing in this step, you can see. And now this is the Benefit roller eyeliner. This is, I know that like in your smoky eye look the eyeliner doesn't shows, but still I'm creating an eyeliner. And I haven't given any effect on the wings. And this is the same kajal, the Estée Lauder kajal. And what we need to do is we are just going to cover the whole eye starting from the inner corners till the outer. So we are just going to, it gives a nice fuller effect. Your whole eyes look properly pulled together. And I'm using the Estée Lauder black mascara in here. You can go very well off with falsies in this step. Now this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I think my shade is in the shade number 5. And just again outlining my brows and then filling it softly in feather stroke, in the light feather stroke. That's what we really need to do. I'm just trying to give more fuller look, and that's what I really like basically. And this is one of my most favorite brow pencil. I use it all the time on my daily basis. If I don't do any clear brow gel or nothing, then no brow mascara, then I'll still like to use like the Benefit brow pencil. It really pulls together. Now you can see I'm just applying a little bit more concealer because I think some of the areas require some extra coverage. And this is, I'm using, instead of using the beauty blender, I'm just using this is the flat shader brush. I think this is either from Eco Tools. You can use any flat shader brush or any brush for this. Just make sure, because our base is light, so we do not want to use a damn beauty blender. Right now I'm just using the same hoola for contouring the face, for bronzing the face, to just give a little bit warmth. I'm not doing anything crazy. No cream contour today, just like the normal simple bronzing. And now this is my favorite. I really love to like bronze the nose area with fingers and later on blend it. If you can use brush or either fingers, whatever you feel like, it really gives a nice seamless effect. And I think the smoky eye look is incomplete without a nice highlighter, and Becca's Champagne Pop is perfect for this look. So this is the Champagne Pop on all the high points. You can see the brow area, then the cupid bow, then the nose, and all the high points. I am placing this liberally. It gives a nice flushed and nice luminosity, nice sheen to the skin. So I really like this one, but it's really up to you. You can use any highlighter. Even I think the liquid highlighter is going to be very good at this point. So I'm just using the same. And this is MAC Peaches. So I'm just using as my blusher today. This is a nice peachy color. So for the lipstick, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte Darling. So any nude lipstick is going to go well with this look. But I think this is a nice beigey nude, beige with a sort of pinkish. And that's it for the complete look, guys. Hope you like it.